guess it's worth noting that the vegetation does seem to be changing from here. So like scrub, more kind of scrubby, I guess. Sparse, you know, sparse bush, where up till Archie it was certainly dense. There was thick tree vegetation. Well, I don't know, I'm confused because on the right it looks like thick tree stuff, but on the left it's thinning out. So the clever people can write in the comments what this vegetation is for the edification of us all. Yeah, so is this savanna? I don't know. And I can feel that sun on my face. That's now. So I'll hold my hand up a little bit because it's even. I've got my little nice visor down, but it's still not enough.